Now the adjustment. So again, as I told you, you have to start adjusting from base of the posture as you start giving the instruction for base of the posture. So here base of the posture is your both feet. So if you see, like if person is not doing properly, like Padabandha, you have to give the instruction, do like this. And sometime instruction is not sufficient for a student. Sometimes they need instruction, they need some teacher help. So just like for front foot, you have to press the inner arch. So you have to give the finger direction. As I told you, you can use finger direction. Don't push, just give the finger direction and ask to press the inner arch down. Okay? And then slowly shift back side and ask to press the outer arch heavily on the mat. Okay? Sometime you can also give pressing the outer arch with your leg as well, like this. Keep pressing like this, but don't hurt student, just give this much pressure which is comfortable for him. Okay? Yes, I'm coming on it. Okay, one by one. Okay, after placing this, now you have to see the knee first. Okay, knee is okay or not. So if knee is not okay, just ask the student, please come up, stay here, take your hands on your waist. Okay, waist. Okay, and then first you have to see the knee. So first of all, relax your knee, rotate your knee out. Okay, micro bend the knee, and you have to give this instruction, like rotation you have to give with your hand, then student understand how to rotate the leg. Okay, so rotation like this. Second step for locking of knee, micro bend the knee. After this, ask to engage the thighs, engage, but maintain the micro bending of the knee. Engage the thighs, engage your calf muscle, engage. Okay, you feel strong. Okay, now maintain. Now knees look okay. Now, yeah, and this maintain, keep pressing the inner arch, everything you have to maintain here. Okay, after this, check the hip. Is one hip dropping down or up? So align both the hip in one line. After aligning the hip, again check knee is okay or not. Okay, because this is the difficult part in Trikonasana, locking the knee. Okay, first you have to practice, build up this. Again, see the rotation is changed. Okay, now again like this, engage, and then lift up the hip up, maintain here. Okay, after this, ask to take the hands up from back side, and you have to stand back side, because in Trikonasana, tendency to falling back side. Okay, tendency to falling back side. If front, but you can give the support from back side. Okay, after this, you can put your one hand here and then stretch elongate the spine like this. Grab the wrist, one hand here, and stretch like this, elongate like this. This is the adjustment with hand pressure. You can give the pressure. Another thing, you can just stand here, put your hands here and ask the student to touch my hand. Touch my hand, touch my hand, elongate. Now maintain here. Okay. After this, without disturbing the pelvis, external rotation, both side thighs. Now you can use like the finger grip. Okay, rotation, external rotation, maintain the hip. Now take yourself down. Bend from here without disturbing your pelvis, knee, go down, go down, go down, like this. Okay, one hand here, another hand on your hip, and stand like this from this side. Give your hip support to the student, hip support, push it back and elongate the spine like this. Okay, for lengthening the spine more. After this, the rotation of the head. So sometime rotation maximum people doing right, but lots of people they are like hanging the neck like this. So lift up the head up and only the lateral rotation like this. Okay, take your hands here, and you can put the hand on shin bone if you feel like you need props, chair, block, whatever you want, student want, you can give him. Okay, now come back, just come back, breathe, take your hands down, relax, just breathe for some time.